What's up, Hair Color Community? So, you guys have seen Miss Queen before. I've done several videos of Miss Queen on this channel. She has been with me for a couple of years, and her goal was to have an all-over blonde. So the last time you guys saw Miss Queen, we created like this marigold golden blonde. We transitioned her from red hair. Today's goal was to attack her new growth. We wanted to make sure we got that lifted, and we also wanted to continue to tone out that warmth from her hair. So let's talk a little bit more about Miss Queen's journey. All right, so when Miss Queen and I sat down and we did our consultation, I understood that she wanted to get in this, she wanted this really bright blonde. I wouldn't say it was quite platinum, but it was obvious that she was looking at going more towards an ashy, smoky blonde versus a golden blonde. And I made sure to inform her that, you know, going blonde is very high maintenance. And I made sure to explain to her the stages that would be taken. All right. So with that being said, guys, blonde hair is very high maintenance. The journey needs to be slow and steady, and there's a lot of sacrifice. So let me kind of explain what I mean by that. Miss Queen was already, she was informed about what it would take. So going blonde, guys, when you're doing frequent hair color changes and going lighter, one of the things you have to expect is trims, all right? So if your goal at the moment is length and you don't want to trim and things of that nature, blonde hair might not be for you, because if you want to keep your hair healthy, all right, and if you want your blonde to be as healthy as possible, while you are lightening your hair, you're going to have to trim it, all right? Another sacrifice that you're going to have to take into consideration is maintenance, all right? You're going to have to be prepared for what it takes to keep your blonde looking fresh and looking its best, all right? So color glosses, toners, keeping your color enhancing shampoos, it's a whole other regimen when you go blonde, guys, honestly, truly. So that is another thing you want to take into consideration is, are you willing to do what it takes to maintain your blonde, all right? Also, with maintenance, the health, are you willing to do what it takes to keep up with your treatments? And guys, when you are going higher and higher in a blonde family, especially when you are a naturally dark level 2 or 3, you're going to have to use those salon grade products, guys. This is not the time to skimp on your products. This is not the time to be lazy. You're going to have to understand that your treatments have to be the top of the top, all right? And your regimen is going to have to be A1, all right? So you're looking at getting salon grade treatments maybe every 2 weeks, all right? Get into that salon, get in what you need for the hair. And also, guys, anticipate money. Money will be spent, all right? So these are the things you have to consider. Now, on your journey to blonde, you might have stages that you might not like, okay? There will be hair color transitions that you'll absolutely enjoy on your journey from blonde if you're a level 2 or 3, and then there might be a stage that you're not the biggest fan of, but you have to understand what your end goal is, all right? So that's one of the things I really enjoy about hair color journeys, especially going to blonde. I think the hair color story is beautiful, all right? Getting to see yourself in these different tones, these different transitions from warm tones to neutral tones to, you know, ash tones is beautiful. And so today we've gotten Miss Queen to more of a more beiger blonde. When you guys last saw her, like you saw at the beginning of the video, she was more of our golden blonde. Her blonde hair gold was to be more of a beige blonde, a more ash blonde. So let's hear Miss Queen's experience. So Miss Queen, you have been here for how long? How long have you been doing this hair color journey?
Oh my god, the blonde?
I mean, yeah.
Just, oh my goodness, how long well, a year now?
It's been almost a year. So we first started off, I know you two, we had your red and blonde, and then we went to like this marigold. And so now I call this like our wheat blonde. This journey has been kind of hard. But you have been consistent with your protein treatments, correct?
Yes.
So what are some of the tips you would tell people who are looking to go more in the blonde hair range?
So I would think the best advice that I have to give is that I keep my hair up at night, and I think that that gives me the most success with keeping it looking good, keeping it straight and or curled. And so I sleep in a satin cap for about a week, and then after that I wrap my hair and with the satin wrap.
So you don't use a lot of heat anytime
I do no curling, no heating until my next appointment.
Exactly. And so you have been keeping up with your protein treatments. Yes. We still have little areas that we have to make even, but slow and steady wins the race, guys. Miss Queen, as she's been going into the blondes, we have been keeping up with her trims. She knows almost every time she's coming here, we've had to do little dusting because her hair has to stay healthy. And so now we're at a good stage. We still have a little bit of areas that we need to clean up, but this is just the journey. This is Miss Queen's hair color story, guys. And I know you guys have been keeping up, but we are happy with where we're at. So turn around for us. Yes, 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 yes. And Miss Queen loves her tight curls, guys. She loves the tight curls. So all right, guys. But yeah, that's it. So how you feel?
I feel great. I love it. I love it.
Yay. All right. Talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye-bye.